Hi everyone, I am just here with a fun, quick little video. We are going to be just making some Christmas clusters using some items from a fun little kit. It's a kit that comes with the subscription kit if you're the gold member on that. If not, you can buy it over on Etsy as well. So I'm just gonna start making some clusters. Most of these I'm actually gonna use to go into a folio, but obviously you can use them for anything. This particular one is going to be a pocket, a tiny little pocket. So let's just get started and I'll kind of show you some different options with these layering. So they all come with these different pieces. There's tons of options. And then you kind of just start layering how you like it. And you can kind of pick and choose where you want things to be on your pocket. I kind of like that. So let's go with it. With clusters, you don't have to be too concerned about overthinking it. You kind of just get to go, which is actually a very relaxing process for me. So I have a little bit of lace and I don't want to cover up my numbers too much. And I think it'd be fun if it was hanging over the edge. So I'm going to kind of just let that hang off right there. And then I have a ton of different little tiny word sentiments. This one says, "Let it snow, let it snow." It has not snowed at all here yet. And I love this because it's kind of this 3D effect because the lace keeps that, I don't know if you can see, keeps that up off of it. So it gives it some dimension, which is really fun. So that's one. Now, another fun little option is you can have them, I plan these all out generally, but you can also have them going, what did you call that, vertically? Vertically, yes. So we'll go ahead, and really there's just a million bits like this that you can use as a fun little background layer. And I'm not even gonna attempt, well, okay, I'll attempt. This is a French from, I think it must just mean Happy Noel. Noel, joyeux. I don't know. I wish I could speak French. I think it's such a pretty language, but not capable yet. I have been to Paris though, and it was absolutely amazing. All right, so you can also do them that direction. So here's a fun little option. We have some fun little fussy cuts, and this one's Santa Claus. So let's go ahead and put this on. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that little tab. So this is hanging over the edge. That's what's fun about these, is you can kind of play with where things fall. I think this one would be fun to put some fabric on. I didn't do that in the, but I like it. All right, so we'll go ahead and do our little bit of lace right here. And again, I'm gonna leave that hanging off that edge. And that'll give this cute thing a little dimension. If you want a little more, you can use the little foam squares to make them pop up a little more, or even just little bits of cardboard if you want. You can just glue it all on and that would work. All right, we're gonna put this little thing right here, or we could do it off the side, and then it would be really long and skinny. I think I like it here. And I like to just put a little eyelet in it to add a bit of a metal aspect. Totally up to you. Isn't that Santa cute? Can you see him? I like him. He's got that twinkle in his eye. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put an eyelet in. You could even dangle something from that now that you have it with a little bulb pin or some jump rings. That would be cute too, but you don't need to. It just adds a cute effect. All right, let's see. This is another one that I'm planning on using in my folio as a pocket. Sorry, I'm having a hard time formulating words. Anyway, I think it'll be really cute. So it's really fun with these bases because it comes with a ton of these bases, but it's really fun to play with having things hanging off the edges. So when you're putting them together, don't be afraid to kind of just let things go above the edge. And you can add more or less of the layering. And this one has another little eyelet. There we go. Isn't that cute? But you can always add a few more layers if you want a little more dimension, or add some fabric in some way or another, or some metal. And to me, when you have all of those components together with a cluster, you really can't go wrong. And I had a ton of other options of little bits and pieces, and these are just the ones I ended up using. I think this guy needs some lace somewhere. And you know, and that's another thing. If you're looking at it and you're like, I just want something more, then don't be afraid to just play around with some other bits and bobs that you have sitting around. Well, that tree really goes off of there, but that's okay. I think this might. I'm trying to decide where I want my lace. We end up covering a good chunk of that Christmas tree, don't we? I think we want the lace to be under this little guy, so I'm going to peel that up really quick. This is why I try to plan everything out before, but no matter what, when I actually sit down to create, I always invariably think of something else I would like to add. There we go. And now we'll put our, and that's fun now because that sticks up, which is really cool. Gosh, I kind of like it just like that. Maybe we don't need our Christmas tree sign, or maybe that's all we need. I kind of just like it. I think I'm gonna call an audible and switch that out right there. Cool. All right, here is another option with doing vertically instead of horizontally. And I think a little of this coffee, let's try some. It's just some coffee dyed, I always forget this word, cheesecloth. I think this could be fun behind our little guy. So we're just gonna put some of that down. Kind of spread that out how we like it. I think cheesecloth is really cool because if you use it in Halloween, it looks perfect, like spooky for Halloween. But you can also just use it for Christmas and it looks cute and fun. So it's kind of magical that way. I know this is gonna hang over the edge, so I'm not gonna put glue all the way over. But look how fun. And if you want, we can do an eyelet. And we don't even have to worry about having the little tab. You can just put an eyelet straight in it. So there is, oops, upside down, another option. And that'd be cute with a little dangle and a bead or something. That'd be cute. All right, let's see. I have two other options. So I have a little envelope in the folio, and I kind of thought it'd be fun to put like a stamp. So I made these faux stamps. So let's just get going and see what we get here. Okay, I want that. You know what I think I want? I have to hurry before it dries now. I think it would be fun to have this just sticking out from behind there. Get a little bit of texture here. That's fun. All right, and then this is kind of the main point of it because we want it to be a stamp. There we go. And so even if you cover up almost every tiny inch of this, it's still a really fun collage, and that base just gives you that foundation to build around. So that's kind of fun. That'll be cute in there. All right, last little one. And this one just has a fun little ornament, but I love how it sticks off of the main base. And then we can layer with some fun little bits. There we go. So anyway, these are just easy. And the cool thing is now I can use these anywhere in my journal, and they're gonna add a really nice impact. So I kind of like to get them all ready and then make them and just have them sitting there on the side, because when I'm putting that folio together, I know I'm gonna come across places and think, oh, I just want a little something more there. And these are the perfect solution whenever you have that feeling. So anyway, there they are. Fun little clusters and a really fun little project. So I'll just lay them all out there, but oh, aren't they cute? Anyway, I hope that you have some fun with that little tutorial and it gives you some fun ideas, and we will talk to you later. Have a wonderful day. Bye.